Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Avilash and I'm a full-time trader by profession. So in this video, I'll be sharing the analysis of NZD USD, New Zealand dollar, US dollar for 17th March 2021. So this analysis is for 17th March only. I'll be coming back tomorrow again ready to analysis for 18th March. And please do subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis. So we can see that right now market is trading at 0.71960. Okay. Though I have got three lines on the chart, but these two lines are not important. These two green lines. Okay. The only important line here is the pink line. Okay. The pink line is a support line, and that is the only line that we need to keep our eyes on. Because the pink line is the support line, and you can see though market is trading at 7194 level here, far away from the support. Okay. Still, if we try to understand or analyze the overall structure of the market, okay, we see that the overall structure is not that convincing. Okay, so the only strategy that I think that you need to follow for NZD USD is just wait for the market to come down to the support level. Okay, just let the price come to the support level and bounce back from here. There is a good possibility that if market comes down to this 0.7100 level, okay, this level, there is a high chance that market will bounce back from here because there is a good support available at this price range. Okay, if I zoom out the chart, okay, you can see that there is a wait see there is a good support. Okay, so my somehow the chart is not working smoothly. Okay, anyways, you can zoom out the chart in your own laptop and you can check there is a good support available. Okay, so this is the only convincing point for us to execute a trade. In case price comes down and comes down to the support level and bounce back, then we can go for a buy. Okay, and in case price crosses the support level with good amount of volume, then only you can think of shorting the market. Okay, so if you see that price has crossed the level and with good amount of volume, okay, then you can short the market just below this line. But just make sure that you get the confirmation, okay, or at least wait for 2 to 3 hours. Okay, let the support become the resistance. This is very essential. Okay, then only think of shorting the market. But there is a just by looking at this current market condition, there is a high possibility that if market comes down to this support, market will bounce back. Okay, but overall there is no such level present on the market apart from this support where you can execute the trade. Okay, otherwise I'll say that avoid NZD USD as of now. Just keep your eyes on at this level. Okay, otherwise you do not need to trade in these ranges. There are other currency pairs available where you can go for and make some money. So this is the simple analysis. Okay, simple, unbiased, unfiltered analysis of a New Zealand dollar, US dollar. So hopefully you have understood, and if you have liked the video and found the video informative, please give a thumbs up and please do subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis. And do check out the Forex analysis playlist for the analysis of other currency pairs. Thank you so much and do subscribe.